Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing today? Mr. Wonderful here. Feeling good? Looking even better. Right, something a bit different. These are Canadian 1 cent coins. I'm going to turn them into dangle earrings. So first of all, we want the Canadian bit at the bottom, obviously. I got this punch made by some old boy in the States. Really helpful bloke. Now we'll go over to Big Red. And I'll give it a bit of the old 1-2. There you go. One cowboy hat. I've got to put the crease in the top. We need another one, obviously. Hope you're all doing fantastic today. Beautiful day here in Finland. Got any questions? Right. Right. And there's the other one. So we have two hats. So now, this little ball bearing is magnetic. I want to turn that round. So that the crease is in the middle. Just like that. So then we put the cowboy hat back on again. And this time we use this little device. This puts the crease in the hat. Then we go back over to Big Red again. We give it another bit of the old 1-2. You don't have to go crazy with it. Right, what we got? I need to get another one of these black boards. This is covered in resin now. So there you go. There's your cowboy hats. So now we're going to punch a hole in it. I use sterling silver air wires. Make sure it's lined up with the crease in the hat. And another bit of the old one, two. There we go. Right, now, quick video of this, but you know, something a bit different for you. There you have it. 2 Canadian, 1 cent cowboy hat earrings, dangle earrings on sterling silver wires. If you're interested, these will be in my shop in the next day or two. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. If you're not subscribed, how about doing it for me? It's free. There's no obligation. Just hit the little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video, and I could do with a love. Thank you so much. There you go. Have a great day. Tell you bye bye.